Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In Part 1, we covered some key basics for maintaining your trailer truck for better fuel efficiency. Now, we're going to take it up a notch and explore advanced maintenance tips that can make a huge difference in your fuel savings. Let's get started. Aerodynamic improvements. Improving the aerodynamics of a trailer truck is one of the smartest ways to cut fuel costs. By reducing wind resistance, the truck requires less effort to move forward, which translates directly into better fuel efficiency. Small changes to the truck's design can lead to significant savings over time, especially for long-haul drivers clocking hundreds of miles daily. Install trailer side skirts. Trailer side skirts are an excellent way to streamline airflow along the sides of your truck. These panels are installed between the front and rear wheels of the trailer and work by blocking air from getting trapped underneath the trailer. Without side skirts, turbulent air creates extra drag, forcing the engine to burn more fuel just to maintain speed. By guiding airflow smoothly along the length of the truck, side skirts significantly reduce drag. They're not just for show, they're designed to help you lower fuel consumption on every trip. While the initial cost of installation might seem steep, the fuel savings pay for themselves over time, especially on long routes and highways. If maximizing efficiency is your goal, trailer side skirts are a no-brainer. Use an aerodynamic roof deflector. Roof deflectors are another great addition to improve your truck's fuel economy. These devices are mounted on top of the cab and are particularly effective at reducing wind resistance when pulling tall trailers. Without a deflector, the flat surface of the trailer's front acts like a wall, pushing against the wind and slowing the vehicle down. This forces the engine to work harder to overcome resistance, leading to wasted fuel. When properly positioned, an aerodynamic roof deflector forces air up and over the trailer instead of slamming into it. This smooth redirection helps the truck slice through the air more efficiently, saving a noticeable amount of fuel, especially at highway speeds where wind resistance has the greatest impact. Think of it like cutting through water with a sharp blade instead of a dull edge. Less resistance means less effort required. Reduce excess weight. Weight and aerodynamics go hand in hand when it comes to fuel efficiency. The heavier the vehicle, the harder the engine has to work to maintain speed, and unnecessary weight adds up fast. It might not seem like much, but hundreds of extra pounds can make a noticeable difference in how much fuel your truck burns. Take a close look at what's inside your truck and trailer. Are you carrying equipment or cargo you don't really need? Removing non-essential items not only lightens the overall load but also reduces strain on the engine. Stay mindful of loading limits, and only bring what's necessary for the trip. Even simple steps like organizing tools and supplies more efficiently can shave weight off your rig, leading to better fuel mileage. By keeping your truck light and pairing weight reduction with aerodynamic adjustments like side skirts and roof deflectors, you'll maximize efficiency and stretch every gallon of fuel further. Small changes can add up to big savings over the long haul. Efficient driving habits. The way you drive has a direct impact on how much fuel your trailer truck uses. Small adjustments in driving habits can lead to significant savings at the pump, as well as reduce stress on the truck's components. Efficiency doesn't mean rushing or cutting corners, it's about driving smarter. Let's break down a few key habits that every truck driver should adopt. Avoid sudden acceleration or braking. Heavy acceleration may feel powerful, but it guzzles fuel unnecessarily. Every time you quickly pump the gas pedal, the engine works harder, consuming extra fuel to deliver that burst of speed. Similarly, slamming on the brakes wastes the momentum you've built up, forcing you to accelerate again, which drains even more fuel. Instead, aim for smooth and steady acceleration. Gradual increases in speed allow the engine to operate in its most efficient range, reducing fuel usage. When you anticipate stops ahead, like traffic lights or highway off-ramps, ease off the accelerator and let your truck coast as much as possible. This approach not only saves fuel but also reduces wear and tear on the brakes, extending their lifespan. Think of sudden acceleration and braking like yo-yo dieting for your truck, unsustainable and costly. Maintain a consistent speed. Keeping a steady speed is one of the simplest ways to maximize fuel efficiency, especially on highways. Frequent speed changes force the engine to burn more fuel as it adjusts to your demands. Cruise control is your best friend here. By maintaining a constant speed, it prevents the small accelerations and decelerations that add up to wasted fuel over a long haul. On open highways with minimal traffic, using cruise control can be a game changer. It keeps the truck moving efficiently, ensuring the engine works just hard enough without overexertion. For safety, avoid cruise control in hilly areas or during severe weather. In those cases, manual adjustments are better to maintain control. When the road allows, though, steady speed is like finding the sweet spot. Lower fuel costs without sacrificing travel time. Plan routes strategically. An efficient route can save more than just time, it can also save a significant amount of fuel. Before hitting the road, take some time to map out your route. Avoid heavily congested areas, poorly maintained roads, or construction zones whenever possible. Even idling in stop-and-go traffic burns through fuel quickly, so a less crowded route may be worth extra miles. Leverage tools like GPS navigation systems, trucking apps, or fleet management software to find the most efficient paths. Many systems also account for elevation changes. Flatter routes typically consume less fuel than hilly terrains. Keep weather conditions in mind, too. Strong headwinds on a windy day can reduce efficiency, so planning your journey around seasonal weather patterns can lead to added fuel savings. Route planning isn't just for efficiency, it prevents frustration and stress, setting you up for a smoother trip. The fewer surprises you encounter on the road, the more you save both in terms of fuel and time. Think of it like preparing for a long hike. A clear, well-thought-out trail is always easier to navigate than unexpected detours. By adopting these efficient driving habits, you're not just saving on fuel, you're also reducing wear on your truck, cutting down on maintenance costs, and making your time on the road safer and smoother. Regular inspection and diagnostics. When it comes to improving fuel efficiency for your trailer truck, regular inspection and diagnostics are non-negotiable. Taking a proactive approach helps you catch small problems before they evolve into costly repairs. Every component of your truck plays a role in its fuel efficiency, and ensuring they function properly means your truck won't be wasting energy or dollars. Below, we'll break down a few key areas to focus on. Inspect brakes and wheel alignments. Misaligned wheels or poorly maintained brakes don't just hurt your truck's performance, they also waste fuel. When the wheels aren't properly aligned, your truck has to work harder to stay on course. This creates drag, increases rolling resistance, and forces the engine to burn more fuel just to maintain its speed. Similarly, malfunctioning brakes can be a hidden source of inefficiency. If brake components are sticking or dragging, they create additional resistance that slows the truck down and wastes energy. Over time, this drag can add up to significant fuel losses. Make regular brake inspections and wheel alignments a priority. It's advisable to check alignment anytime you notice uneven tire wear, pulling to one side, or difficulty steering. For brakes, listen for abnormal noises or check for excessive heat after long drives. These could signal that maintenance is overdue. A truck that rolls smoothly burns less fuel, reducing your expenses mile by mile. Check for gas leaks or faulty components. Fuel leaks are one of the most avoidable sources of wasted fuel, and they're surprisingly common in older trucks or those with extensive mileage. Even a minor leak in the fuel system can quickly translate to gallons of wasted fuel over time. Beyond leaks, faulty components like worn-out fuel caps or damaged fuel lines can also compromise efficiency. Simple checks can go a long way. Inspect fuel lines regularly for cracks, corrosion, or loose connections. If you notice the smell of fuel, don't ignore it, it's a potential sign of a leak. Replacing damaged fuel caps or lines early can prevent long-term losses. Additionally, keep an eye on components like sensors, filters, and fuel injectors. Faulty sensors, for instance, can cause the engine to run inefficiently by mismanaging the air-fuel mix. Addressing these small fixes promptly ensures your truck burns fuel efficiently and minimizes waste. Fuel efficiency isn't just another checkbox for trailer truck maintenance, it's the cornerstone of saving money and staying competitive. From routine engine care to proper tire management, smart driving habits, and aerodynamic upgrades, every detail adds up over time. Consistent inspections and small proactive adjustments ensure your truck stays efficient mile after mile. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.